guys, my name's Farah. I'm from the Cake Cafe. This is my first ever YouTube video that I'm doing, and I'm going to be doing it on a basic vanilla sponge recipe. People may think that a vanilla sponge recipe is easy to do, but really it's one of the hardest recipes to get right. And if you're a baker, you'd know that. I finally got a recipe that I'm happy with, that I've tried and tested, and you know, had lots of goes at different recipes and finally happy with this one. So I thought I'd share it with you all. So yeah, let's get started. So over here I have 500 grams of butter and 600 grams of caster sugar. The butter isn't the square block butters that you get, it's the cake margarine thing that you get in any supermarket really. I've got 6 eggs and 1 egg yolk. 240 milliliters of double cream that is mixed in with 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And over here I've got 500 grams of plain flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. What you want to do first, wrong way, is whisk the butter and sugar until you get a nice light fluffy consistency. So start off slow. Good to switch on. Start off, problem fixed. I just didn't have it on the right setting. Right, so start off slow. You don't want it to fly off everywhere. You also need one of these red spatulas. Well, it doesn't need to be red, but yeah, spatula to keep mixing it in. Slowly put the speed higher. That's fine. So yeah, you just need to beat it for about 1 to 2 minutes on high. I'll show you in a second what it looks like properly. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly. So it should look light and fluffy and soft. Next, you want to add the eggs, 2 at a time. Yeah, it will start to curdle, don't worry. That will all be fixed once you add the flour. So start this off on slow. I think she's gone back to sleep. Start it off on slow, add the eggs 2 at a time. Once that's mixed in, you add the other 2. So it has curdled slightly, but not so much. I believe the original recipe of this mixture used more eggs than I use. I experimented with the recipe and found that this many eggs worked better. Right guys, my baby woke up, so I had to go put her back to sleep, but we just finished mixing in the eggs. Now we need to add in all the flour. Just add all of it in one go. There are recipes where you alternate the flour and the liquid mixture, but in this recipe you add in all the flour in one go. And just start off mixing it on low. My husband in the back, by the way, having his lunch. Start it off on low because you don't want it flying out everywhere, obviously. That will do. Now you need to add in all the cream that is mixed in, that has vanilla extract mixed in with it. Vanilla is normally left at the bottom of the plate, so make sure to scrape that. Give it a quick stir with your spatula. And there you have your vanilla mixture. I'm going to place this mixture into 3 8-inch pans that I've already greased and lined with baking paper. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, and then I'll show you the end result. Oh, by the way, while I went upstairs to put the baby to sleep, this is what my husband was doing on my phone.
Hi friends, it's me, Farah. Look, I'm making a cake. Yeah, look. It's drippy. Ooh. This is called a spatula. This is what you mix with. And I quickly mix it. And here's what I made earlier. Yeah. Okay friends, see you later. Now that you've seen me, do some extra clicks. Yeah.
Just a quick clip here, guys, of the mixture in the cake pans. So these are 3 8-inch pans that I've lined up. Yeah, so I'm going to put these in the oven now and I'll show you how they turn out. Right guys, just while the cakes are in the oven, I just thought I'd tell you a bit about myself. A bit of advice from my husband is to be myself while I'm recording, but I know it's weird, it's my first YouTube video, but as soon as I start recording, I feel like everyone's watching me already, so I'm just nervous and I'm not being myself. But yeah, I'm a home baker. I've been doing it for about since 2020 now. Since 2015, that's when I started up. So yeah, I've been doing it since then. I am currently on maternity leave, and my little one's just 2.5 months old. Yeah, so my first ever YouTube tutorial, I thought to start off with basic vanilla sponge recipe. It sounds easy enough, but it is one of the most difficult recipes to get right, to get the perfect sponge. I've tried loads and I'm finally happy with this one. I've been doing it for about 5 years, and I finally, just last year, I think I cracked the recipe. I think I'm happy with it. It's light, it's fluffy, it's moist, it's not dense. Yeah, I love this recipe, so try it out and let me know what you guys think as well. So guys, these are finally out of the oven. It was 45 minutes at 170 degrees. That's an electric oven. So if you put a knife through it, it comes out clean. This one might have a slight bit of, no, it's clean. It's fine if they have a tiny bit of cake on them, like for example this one, it's still cooked, still baked, yeah. So yeah, these are done. So yeah guys, this was my vanilla sponge recipe. Do try it out, let me know what you guys think, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.